close till I get out.
So now look into the box. The phone comes with a sleek metal design body. The phone is really smooth and well designed. Now let's see inside the box. Inside the box, firstly we get the USB. No. Firstly we get the paperwork, which we doesn't need at all. Now USB cable for charging. It is of black color and shiny. Nice one. Quality is good. Now let's see charger. 2 ampere, not a fast charger. No, not a fast charger. Okay, quality. Now let's keep all these aside and see the performance of the phone. In the phone, now we get the settings. It's come with 2 gigabits of RAM, 16 GB of internal memory, and the Android 7.1.2. Good one. The phone is a powerful phone. Okay, nice. Cut.